It is very much difficult to pick the greatest painter of any time, but we have tried to cover the painters who have made lasting contribution to changing the world through art. In this video, we'll be talking about top 10 painters of all time. Let's begin the video. Leonardo da Vinci. He was a painter, architect, inventor, and student of all things scientific. His natural genius crossed so many disciplines that he epitomized the term Renaissance man. Mona Lisa and The Last Supper are his famous paintings. Vincent van Gogh. As a young man, he worked as an art dealer, often traveling, but became depressed after he was transferred to London. He turned to religion and spent time as a Protestant missionary in southern Belgium. He drifted in ill health and solitude before taking up painting in 1881, having moved back home with his parents. Rembrandt. Rembrandt's portrait of his contemporaries, self-portrait, and his illustrations of scenes from the Bible are regarded as his greatest creative triumphs. His self-portraits form a unique and intimate autobiography in which the artist surveyed himself without vanity and with the utmost sincerity. Michelangelo. A number of Michelangelo's work of painting, sculpture and architecture rank among the most famous in existence. His output in these fields were prestigious. Given the sheer volume of surviving correspondence, sketches and scenes, he is the best documented artist of the 16th century. Claude Monet. Monet's ambition of documenting the French countryside led him to adopt a method of painting the same scene many times in order to capture the changing of light and the passing of the seasons, where he purchased a house and property and began a vast landscaping project which included lily ponds that would become the subject of his best-known works. Pablo Picasso. He was a Spanish painter, sculptor, printmaker and theatre designer who spent most of his adult life in France. Regarded as one of the most influential artists of the 20th century, he is known for co-funding the Cubist movement and for the wide variety of styles that he had helped develop and explore. Raphael. He was an Italian painter and architect of high Renaissance. His work is admired for its clarity of form, ease of composition, and visual achievement of the Napoleonic ideal of human grandeur. The best known work is the School of Athens. After his early years in Rome, much of his work was executed by his workshop from his drawings with considerable loss of quality. Auguste Renoir. He was a French artist who was a leading painter in the development of the impressive style. As a celebrator of beauty and specifically feminine sensuality, it has been said that the Renoir is the final representative of a tradition. Jan Vermeer. He was a Dutch painter who specialized in domestic interior scenes of middle-class life. During his lifetime, he was a moderately successful Parisian genre painter. Nonetheless, he produced relatively few paintings and evidently was not even wealthy. Paul Cézanne. He was a French artist and a painter whose work laid the foundation of transition from 19th century conception of artistic endeavor to a new and radically different world of art in the 20th century. He used planes of color and small brush strokes that build up to form complex fields. The painting conveys his intense study of his subject. Both Matisse and Picasso are said to have remarked his work and is known as father of us all. If you really like this video, kindly share, like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so that next time any video will be uploaded, you will be notified first. Thank you for watching.